Good morning, everybody. What's going on? It's your boy Augusto again, back at it with another video. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've been consistent lately. But you guys may be wondering, what does this guy have now? Today is going to be the day that I'm going to finally install the BC coils. That right there is going to be going on to the Project Ronnie, the 2021 WRX Premium. Well, we're actually not going to be able, unfortunately, to show you guys how to install it, only because of privacy reasons of our friend Silent Works. So with all that being said, guys, I'll keep you guys updated. Me and Irene are going to go head over to the gym or be fat. And other than that, we're just going to go ahead and go about our day. As soon as we get that, obviously we're going to update you guys. So please do stay tuned if you haven't already. Please do feel free to hit that subscribe button. And if you have been subscribing recently, thank you so much for your support. And just like that, we'll catch you guys on the next clip. Alrighty guys, what's going on? Today is actually a whole different day, and today is another car show that we're going to go to. We're actually out here today in Placerville. We're here to support Justin's area code, if you know what I mean. The showroller, for you guys that don't know. I'm super sorry for not being able to show you guys the process of Project Ronnie getting lowered yesterday, but once we get to the spot or to the car show, obviously I'm going to show you guys around, and also I'll show you guys how Ronnie sits at the moment. But as far as right now, we're waiting for everybody else. We're here at the pre-meet. We're going to probably grab some snacks over there at Rayleigh's real quick, which is like over there. And yeah, so just a heads up, if you guys didn't know, if I didn't get to mention it in the previous clip from yesterday, I had BC coils installed. We had a inch and a quarter to an inch and a half drop on Ronnie, so it's not going to be as low as Appa, but we could go lower if we want to. But I don't want to scrape everywhere. So, like I said, stay tuned. I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, quick update. We're here at the car show already. I can't record myself too much because there's going to be copyright. So I'm going to show you a quick montage right here, and hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to update you guys or catch you guys after the car show. Peace. Damn. Is this carbon fiber?
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Actually, these lights are actually kind of good.
Start them young.
Yeah, I'm just more of a fan of pop-up.
Clean ass engine bay, bro.
Justin? The honeycomb? Justin? Hey, Pippin. Wow, look at that alternating. Very nice. Very nice.
This is something different.
Protector.
Nice reveal.
Yeah. It's Justin's boss.
This is bag.
That's very nice.
Rhino liner. I wonder if this could fit on my Subaru. Damn, clean ass build. Dang. If you ain't tucking, you already know the rest. Oh shit. You're right.
You did, right?
Yeah.
That was sick. I like it. Look, I like what the spokes.
Hey, that's a fat ass turbo, yo.
Is that a Hellcat? No, it's a Hellgoat.
Damn, Holly too. Look at that. Damn. You said that's a hell goat?
Yeah, look at it.
You said that's a hell goat. Dang. Precision
You know
turbo.
why it's a goat? 'Cause it's the greatest of all time.
Is it like this? The Corvette you're gonna get?
What's the other box?
Damn, son.
Oh, so shiny.
Look at the paint on this thing, bruh. Immaculate.
No swirl marks?
Damn. What's his trunk setup though?
See how far
Shit. Look at that fitment, bruh.
Look at those big ass brakes. They're huge.
Oh, simple trunk setup, but damn.
Okay, okay.
Very nice, very nice.
Look nice.
What are these? D9Rs.
Way better.
I might like them. I might like them.
Look at
They're
how
black.
clean 3/4 of this tire is.
I know, right? Yeah, that is gonna clean.
They never touch the ground.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at it.
I like it. Damn.
Way better.
Tomei? Is that a Tomei dog? Is that a Tomei dog? Damn, I want a Tomei dog.
They have more done than you. Supposed to be a leader.
Shit. Is this rap?
No, those are sick wheels, dude.
They're raised.
I know, and this one?
His lights are on.
That's sick.
Hey.
Oh, it's Bowser.
Let me see you get it, bro.
That's Toy Mater right there.
This is why I can't
He's
take
only
you
like a half a
places.
beer in, too.
Is this the Evo? Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the cars that I've shown you. I know that the energy at the end of the video is very, very mild and just like sluggish. That's only because it's super hot out here in Placerville. But if you haven't already, please do feel free to subscribe to this channel. Help us grow, help Finessy Lifestyle family grow and whatnot. Follow our Instagram pages. And yeah, let's just continue moving forward. And just like that, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully we get to install lip or LEDs before it gets everything like super hectic over here. As I end my videos every single time, this is your boy Augusto signing out. Like always, stay positive and be awesome.